Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound, and here is our newest sponsor, 70My. This dash cam is amazing. You're going to absolutely love it. So basically what we're going to do here is unbox it. I've already opened it up. This is a fantastic product. I absolutely love it. It's a 70My 800, and check out this clean box. Everything is awesome inside it. Look at this, the anti-static film that goes to your windshield, and it has multiple of those so you could keep switching out whatever car you want to use the product in, as long as you have enough cable. In addition to that, this is the camera itself. As you can see, it rotates right here, which is where the camera is. And on the side, you have the SD card, the power port, and also the wonderful port for the power for the back camera. It mounts right to the windshield. It pivots, as you could see. It's really, really nice, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So let's check it out inside the vehicle and go from there. Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound, and today we are installing a new dash cam. Yep, another one. So here's why you need it. Because people suck. They do. People cut you off, say that they didn't cut you off, do all sorts of stuff. So if you don't get a dash cam, that's on you. This is your fair warning. I know that's harsh, but we have to have the truth here. So I want to talk to you about my sponsor, 70My. Now I already have one of their dash cams. However, this one I like too. This is the 70My dash cam. This is the A800S plus the rear camera setup. So this is a really, really nice rig. You're gonna love it. Now it comes with an electrostatic film right here, and this electrostatic film sticks to your windshield. Then it has this really neat little attaching plate. So this connects directly to the electrostatic that goes on the windshield, and then your camera simply slides in right here, and it goes right onto your windshield. So you could pop it off anytime if you're in a bad area or whatnot. I've already preloaded the accessory, which is the SD card, which comes with the kit. So you gotta love that. In addition to that, we're gonna load the back camera in. Now on my truck, the Maverick, I've already kind of just pulled this off just because I didn't want to waste your time having to watch me. And I'll just stick this all on, and then I'll fast forward everything, and you can see what it looks like when it's done. If you want to buy this product, all you need to do is just go right to our Amazon site in the description below, and you'll be able to purchase it right from there on our special link. Thank you. Well, that's it. It's all installed. From the front, it looks really good. Look at that. You just see those two little wires coming up from the top, but that gets squeezed all the way into the top part of the windshield. I want to thank 70My for sponsoring this product. So this is where I put everything from here all the way through, down and through here to the back seat spot, coming up through here on the weather stripping, right in between. This was already open because it's a Ford. And then there it is on the back window. And there it is. So again, thank you very much, 70My, for sponsoring this product. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.